Welcome to the instructional video from Birth Pools. In this video, we show you what is included in the Birth Pool sales package, how to set up the pool, fill it, use it, clean it, and pack it up again. Your order will be sent to you within 24 hours. We advise you to check as soon as possible if there is a tap coupling included that fits your tap. The large box contains the pool and the inner cover, a manual, and an instruction leaflet and a box with all the accessories. All accessories are new for reasons of hygiene. Open the smaller white box with the accessories to check whether the contents are complete. Leave the accessories in the packaging until the birth. You can then make use of our return policy if applicable. The box with accessories contains the following items: a non-toxic 10-meter water hose, a water pump, an electric air pump, a pool thermometer, a set of tap couplings, a scoop net, an anti-slip mat, a pair of long gynecological gloves, and a floor protection mat. Check that everything is included using the checklist supplied. You will find the pool in the bag and an emergency repair kit in the inner pocket. As soon as the midwife has confirmed that labour has started, you can start preparing the birthing pool. You can also choose to inflate the pool beforehand, but this will void the right of return. The pool is made up of the bottom, the seat, and the 3 inflatable wall rings. Use the air pump to inflate the pool. You can use this air pump to inflate the pool and let the air out of it as well. You can never inflate the pool too much with the pump, so inflate the air chambers until no more air can get in. Start by inflating the bottom part and the seat using the smaller attachment. Then begin with the bottom inflatable ring and work your way up. Use the wider attachment for this. Inflate the top ring to about 50%. This will make it easier to attach the inner cover later on. It takes about 10 minutes to inflate. Once the pool is inflated, that is the last moment it can be moved. When filled with water, it can no longer be moved. When positioning the pool, take into account the distance to a compatible tap, drain, distance to a bed, and the space around the pool. Always discuss the most suitable place in the house or hospital with your midwife. Once you have decided where you want to position the pool, take the floor protection mat out of its packaging and place it on the floor. Place the anti-slip mat where the woman gets in and out of the pool. The original inner cover has a perfect fit and is an integrated system with the birthing pool from Birth Pool in a box. The cover is placed over the entire top ring, over the handles and the valves. As a place to start, look for the cup holder in the inner cover. Any air under the inner cover will escape through the vent holes near the handles once the pool is filled with water. When the inner cover is in place, you then inflate the top ring further. When you are ready to fill the pool, connect the hose to a compatible hot water tap. Use one of the tap couplings supplied for attaching it. We advise you to test which coupling is compatible with your tap immediately after the pool has been delivered. Please keep in mind that the maximum distance from the tap and drain to the pool should be 10 meters. The set of tap couplings comprises the following couplings: a snap-on coupling, and a set of brass couplings with internal and external threads and quick-release coupling. The snap-on coupling is suitable for flat and horizontal taps. The hose is attached underneath by unscrewing the cap and sliding the hose through the cap and between the teeth of the coupling. Screw the cap back on the coupling. You then slide the coupling over the tap and screw the coupling on at the top. You attach the brass coupling to the end of a tap which has an internal or external thread. On many taps, you can unscrew the end piece, and the internal or external thread then becomes visible. Another frequently used option is to use a thermostatic tap from the bathroom where you disconnect the shower head and screw the coupling on. Use the quick-release coupling to attach the hose to the brass coupling. The hose is attached underneath by unscrewing the cap and sliding the hose through the cap and between the teeth of the coupling. Screw the cap back on the coupling. The quick-release coupling then clicks onto the brass coupling. Remove the water hose from the packaging and unroll it. Slide the water hose through the hose holder on the inner cover. Then bring the water hose to the tap you are using. The ideal temperature of the water is between 36.5 and 37.5 degrees. The thermometer can be left floating in the pool. First, fill the pool to the minimum filling level. The minimum and maximum filling levels are marked on the inside of the inner cover. The minimum filling level is the water level before the woman is seated in the pool. It takes about 45 minutes to fill the pool. The woman can, of course, sit in the pool earlier to relax. We strongly recommend moving the hose to the tap after filling to prevent the risk of tripping up. It is important that the woman is supported at all times when getting in and out. You can get in by sitting on the edge, placing one leg over the side and then the other. You can also use the seat as a step into the pool. The soft walls, the bottom, the seat, and the various handles make it possible to adopt lots of different positions in the pool. The pool intentionally has no handles on the inside to prevent any potential obstructions and restriction of movement. The woman usually finds the position she is most comfortable with by herself. Regularly changing positions can aid childbirth. The built-in seat is used as a backrest and to sit on during childbirth. To raise the temperature of the water, you can use the water hose to add hot water up to the maximum filling level. A good time to do this is when the woman gets out of the pool, for example for a checkup or a trip to the toilet. Make sure that the water is mixed thoroughly before getting back into the pool. If the pool is filled to the maximum level, then use a clean bucket to remove water from the pool. This does not happen often. By placing the pool in a draft-free area kept at room temperature, the water will cool down only slightly. It is up to the woman to indicate what she considers a comfortable temperature during the dilation phase. During labour, it is important that the temperature is kept between 36.5 and 37.5 degrees. The built-in seat is used after the birth to sit on so that the baby's head remains above water. Keep the baby warm with wet towels and a bonnet. Once the baby is delivered, the pool should be emptied again. Before emptying the pool, first remove the largest amount of debris from the pool using the scoop net. Disconnect the tap coupling from the tap and the water hose from the coupling. Then take the hose to a drainage point. This should preferably be a toilet. Stick the hose in the toilet under the toilet seat so that the hose is secure. Screw the black coupling element into the water pump. The water pump's cable is 5 meters long. Connect the water hose to the water pump and let it drop to the bottom. Connect the cable to the wall socket and the pump will automatically start pumping out the water. It takes about 45 minutes to empty the pool. When the pool is almost empty, the pump will start to suck in air. In order to remove the last of the water out of the pool, let the upper inflatable ring deflate by opening the valve. Then pull up the inner cover on one side so that the last of the water runs towards the pump and is pumped out. Once the water has been pumped out of the pool, place all the used accessories into the pool. The water pump, the water hose, the thermometer, the anti-slip mat, the floor protector, and the gloves. The inner cover doubles as a large rubbish bag, so you can throw everything away in one go. When the inner cover with all the accessories has been thrown away, you will still have the berthing pool, together with the air pump and the couplings. Condensation may have formed between the bottom of the pool and the inner cover. Water and dirt may also have gotten into the pool when getting in and out. It is very important that the pool is clean and dry before folding it up in order to avoid any damage to the material. Clean the pool with a wet cloth and all-purpose cleaner. Then dry the pool with a dry cloth. Once the pool is clean and dry, it can be packed up. Open up all valves. Release the air from the inflatable seat and bottom using the air pump by placing the smaller attachment on the other outlet. Let the pump extract the air until all the air has been removed. This makes it easier to fold up. Then remove the remaining air from the inflatable rings using the wider attachment. It is important that the pool is put back into the bag undamaged. Fold the side of the seat 1/3 towards the inside. Then fold the other side inwards by 1/3 twice. Fold the other side over the top. Now take both ends and fold them towards the middle, and then fold them in half one more time. Then secure the package with the tension strap. We wish you the best of luck with the pool and the berth. If you have any questions, please check the information on our website or get in touch with us. We are here for you.